Hey, hi friends, welcome back on our YouTube channel Weekend. Guys, I'm super excited about this video and I hope that you are as well. Because this one special as I want to suggest you a study routine to improve your English. I spent some time thinking about it and I found the best option that can suit anyone, even a very busy person. For that reason, it had to be simple but nonetheless effective. Routine means the things that we do on our regular basis. In other words, consistency. And as we know, consistency is key. So, if you implement them into your daily routine, the result will not keep you waiting. Okay, then, so let's get started. Friends, there are the 4 points that we discuss. The first point is listening. Yes, guys, you need to watch or listen to something in English every single day. You don't have to listen to something in English the whole day. You don't have to listen only educational videos. You listen something that you really enjoy to watching, like traveling, cooking, business related things. Okay, the next point is reading. It's important to read daily. Let's say 5 pages a day. One more, read more. But the point is that you make a habit. If you don't have any English book for reading, then use the internet and download the English books and read it. The third is writing. It means don't write a novel. You don't even have to write so much as a letter. Just a few sentences will do the trick. Write down your thoughts like I hope this day goes smoothly and productively, or you write about a video that you have watched that day. That will make your brain think in English. And the next part is speaking. Speaking is the hardest part for every language learner. And the biggest problem with speaking for people is that they don't have anyone to speak with. Online classes may not be possible for everyone. So that's why I am giving you a perfect solution. So the very simple thing you can do is when you watch a video, just pick out some sentences or part and repeat it. Don't focus on your pronunciation. Your job is only open your mouth and speak. Friends, repetition is a very effective way to learn any language. Okay friends, add this 4 part in your daily routine. I shall be back next time with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Bye guys. Keep watching, keep practicing.